Hello, welcome again, Himalayan singing bowl and trading Pokhara, Nepal. My name is Navraj. So today again we are going to talk about the chakra healing set of 7 which is made by hand. And today I have a really nice beautiful black full moon. So really nice in black color. There is also lots of meaning in spirituality about the black color. If you want to know more about it, please WhatsApp me anytime. I will try to explain you what I know. This is an information channel. We are not promoting ourselves to sell the product. We are just trying to share our knowledge, what we know about them. So the black full moon set of 7, they are plain black. They are not full moon. They are just ordinary black full moon made by hand and 7 metal, and they are tuning hertz around 130 to 249. So they are octave third. So this kind of tuning hertz you only can get in third octave set, because there are also the third octave, fifth, the second octave, fourth octave, fifth, and even more. But now actually we are talking about the third octave. So I always use the multiple device to check them finally about the tuning, because that's very important. Also, if you play them, they are really nice and harmonic sound. But now in this video we are going to check them together, how accuracy they are in tuning. So biggest one is around 26 centimeter, it's around 10 inch, and the smallest one is 18 centimeter 7 inch. So this is third octave C3, beautiful tuning one, and the second one is D3, it is 145 hertz, it was 130 and it's 245. So it should goes very smoothly inside, then it's very easy for you to carry all the way to any places you want to go. This is tone E, it is 164 hertz, and then we have a F tone. F tone is third octave, 173 hertz, and then we have a G note. G note is 195 hertz, and then we have a note, 220 hertz, and the final one is B note, B third, 251 hertz. So they are really nice in tuning, and they are made by hand, of course. And if you want to order online, even in other store, please watch out about the hertz system. If they are really made by hand, 7 metal, and they are tuning proper way, and they sing together like this way. And if you want to order with us, keep on watching our more videos. There are several information regarding sound healing tools in here in Nepal, and also we have a website, and there is a telephone number of WhatsApp number in our website as well. So connect with us. We have a worldwide delivery service, and my name is Raj from Himalayan Singing Bowl and Trading. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.